Hello, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to show you my new room because I just changed a room and that's wonderful. So the thing with this one is that it's a better room because it's bigger and I'm not in front of stupid guys all day long. So there are still changes to make on this room, like those things we're going to move them. There are going to be some sort of not paintings, pictures. Let's start with the bed. It's a basic bed, perfect for me. And then I have my tripod here, a steering wheel, and let's see what do we got there. So, yeah, we got plenty of things. So we got my current keyboards box with my old keyboard. We got an Acer keyboard working, Dell keyboard working, PS1 games, and then I have kind of my hardware stash with hard drive, CPUs, a modular GPU, a few batteries, you know. And then what do we got there? We got this. We got my old cars when I was a kid. I still have them because why not? What is the steering wheel accelerator? I don't know. And then speakers, good speakers actually, even though they were free. Then no, I think that's enough about that. Moving on. There is the Atari Flashback 12 box, because it's great. Those are elastics for teeth. Like I put them every night before sleeping, and I wake up and my teeth are slowly getting better and better because I have braces and all of that. And I'm going to remove this in a few weeks. Then some snowballs. Anyways, so there are stickers that I'm collecting for the future. My earbuds that I usually use not to bother my family when we are in car, but also to edit videos. Then we got those to organize stuff about school which is in a few days. Yeah, I have this whiteboard because why not? And I have my backpack for school, almost high school. Yeah, so in the USA you've got 3 years of middle school and 4 years of high school. In France it's 4 years of middle school and 3 years in high school. Moving on, I guess. So in here there's a PS3, and then up there, yeah, things. Yeah, this I just take it. I just take it every day because it's a factory game. My mom bought it for me my birthday. Additionally to that to those headphones. Yeah, that's great. And here I have my usual stuff, maybe for school, but also for my daily uses, because I always use that screwdriver. Talking about the screwdriver, in here there is screws, and I mean not screws, like I don't even know the word in French, just look at it. It's not focusing. You understood. Then a Logitech case a Logitech K380 keyboard. 380? I don't know. Anyways, in there, flex time. So I have basically all boxes that I want to keep because it's great. It's fine looking. I mean, an Apple box is fine looking. And this is my calculator. Yes, I keep my calculator boxes. I even kept that Casio FX96 92. I also have a few games: PS3, PS4, Switch, MagSafe, iPhone family, and Ray-Ban box for those glasses, mirrors. I can't really show them. I mean, you can see. So that's great. I also have that clothing here because that's great. Then I have a few 4 medals. I'm not showing off that. Yeah, it's mainly Apple boxes, and in there, so there are drawings that I made like when I used to draw. This was in my console period. It was in June 24. Nah, not even car period. I just wanted to draw that beautiful, wonderful Peugeot. I don't know how to pronounce. We say Peugeot in French. Peugeot 205. Oh, yeah, I even wrote the time. So yeah, this was September 21st of 2024 at 15:09. And I got a Toyota Mirai. I made it in 2023. Dodge Challenger Charger. This was my dream car for a moment. I don't have the date. I know this just for that. Then the Subaru WRC STI or RX, I don't know. And then the Subaru WRX 2002. It's the brake model. You can recognize it by those things. And the Subaru Impreza WRX STI Sedan 2006. Yeah, and that's basically it. Over there are certificates with my name, and I don't want to show my name. Why are you asking me? Why are you even asking that? You're crazy. So a clock that's going to wake me up at 6:30. Finally, moving on to this computer that I'm going to sell because it's not useful anymore. Anyways, my computer. So my computer is a Dell PlayStation Tower 3620 with a DVD/CD/CD write/DVD rewrite player that I installed, taking it from that computer. Yeah. Since I don't have my it's a desktop, so I charge my phone at the same time because slow charging is great for phones. I mean, it's not great. It just doesn't harm the battery, just a little. And here I have a DVD, the famous DVD player. I even made a video about it that got like 36 views. I don't know why. This was the most viewed video in my career back then. I mean, it's not a career. Like, yeah, you just need to know. It's the BSOD video. So, this is a Cooler Master MS110 mouse. I don't want to change it even though it's getting old, but I just love it. It's a beautiful, wonderful mouse that grip perfectly to my hand. I love it. I love the way it looks. I love its RGBs. Yeah, and this, yeah, we'll talk about it later. So this is my Razer Ornata V3X keyboard. It's a wonderful keyboard that I bought because minor one water damage. Yeah. Yeah. Oh guys, also I didn't. Yeah, I'm going to show you something. In here is my MacBook. It's a 2014 MacBook Air, 11-inch MacBook Air with an i5, 4 gigabytes of DDR3, 1600 megahertz RAM. It's water damage. It's dead. Yes, it's dead. It was confirmed at 2 a.m. I'm not joking. I'm crazy. Yeah, that's that. I actually liked it. I'm gonna keep it just because I want to keep it. It's my first Mac, even though I didn't got it in 2014. You're crazy. Yes, I was 4 years old. I thought I said 5 years old. Anyways, this is my internet box. This is my JBL, super expensive for headphones. So this is Metallica CD. There's Master of Puppets and Ride the Lightning in it because I like those. This is a computer recording Python projects for kids book. Nice book. Those are stickers. I don't know why I have them. This is a computer coding games for kids book, but about Scratch, not Python. Oh, and by the way, I installed games on my graphical damn it, I don't know how to talk. I installed games on my graphics calculator. Anyways, about that PC. Did I say the specs? I'm just going to tell him. So it's got an Intel Core i7 7700K, not overclocked because I can't do it with that motherboard, and I don't want. 4.20 GHz is great. It's got 24 gigabytes of DDR4, 2400 megahertz RAM. Anyways, it's got an NVIDIA Quadro K2200. Yes, my PC is horrible, but I'm going to change it like to way better one, gamer one, and a laptop because I travel a lot. Yeah, so a PC is not a desktop, because a Mac is a PC, personal computer. A PC is a PC, a laptop is a PC, because a desktop is too big and I can't take my finally Samsung Odyssey G5 27-inch model, 300 nits, I think that model is. It's got DisplayPort, HDMI, audio jack, USB, I don't know why, maybe for repairs, and of course AC or DC. I think it's AC. Yeah, AC power. Yeah, I bought it in September the 2nd of 2023. It was literally one day before the back to school day. This cost me 260 bucks if you're asking. Yeah, that's kind of expensive knowing that this was my only money. Anyways, moving on to the free gifted Samsung SyncMaster S23 B300 23-inch monitor. I'm going to check further specs. And there you got the specs of it. Yeah, it's got VGA, DVI, no audio jack, and probably an AC2 adapter. It was somehow, I don't know why, made in Romania. Why the hell? Why in Europe? It's more expensive. But I don't care, I got it for free. It's 13 years old. No, 12 years old. It was assembled, and I remember the manufacture date, December 7th of 2012. And that's very precise. Yeah, I guess the video is done. Oh yeah, and also I'm shooting with my iPhone 12 Pro, 4K camera, 60 FPS, and the refresh rate of the screen, you may know it, I think it's 120 hertz for Pro/Pro Max models in iPhone since the 12/11. I'm not sure. Anyways, nothing else to show. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to share the video, like it, comment it, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. See ya.